This is the Global JM90 UVMG value counter. It is variable speed, has 3 speeds, 800, 1100 or 1500 bills per minute. It has ultraviolet and magnetic counterfeit detection. If you key in the denomination of the bills, it'll give you the value instead of just the sheet count. It has an add feature and also a batch feature. This machine is what we call a flat loading or front loading machine, which means that you lay the bills in flat in the machine like this, so you can stack up a big stack of them if you need to, and it's easier to load than some of the more inexpensive machines that you have to put the bills in edgewise. Okay, this machine is simple to use, and it's a commercial grade machine. Should last you for years and years. Okay, just to show you how it works, to begin with, you turn the machine on. There's a switch in the back. Just turn it on. It'll go through its checkout procedure, and once it's finished checking itself out, it's ready to load. Now to begin with, I'm going to clear everything out and just drop the bills in. We'll go ahead and count the bills. In this case, there's 36 bills. So we just counted 36 bills, and that was in sheet count mode. Now, another setting for this machine is you can put it in batch mode. To put it in batch mode, you just hit the batch button and put in the number of bills that you want in the batch. And we'll say we want 10 bills per batch. Then when you drop in the bills, it'll feed 10 and stop. When you take those 10 out, it feeds the next 10 and stops. You take those 10 out, it feeds the next 10 and stops. And it just keeps doing that. Okay, another method that you can use to clear it out here. You can put it in batch mode and add mode. So if you put it in batch mode and add mode, clear it out. Okay, it's now in add mode. You can see the add mode button right there. Put in the bills. Okay, so you can also put it in batch mode and add mode. To put it in add mode, just push this add button right here. When you push the add button, you'll see the add come on there. We still have 10 in our batch count. So then when we drop in the bills, it's going to feed the first 10. Stop. When we lift those out, it feeds the next 10, but continues to add them to the count. It went to 20, then it goes to 30. So that's another way that you can do it. So you have add mode, batch mode. Now let's look at the value mode. Okay, now you can also run this machine in value mode. So instead of it just saying that there's 30 $10 bills in this pack, it's going to tell you that there's $300. The way you do that is you hit this dollar sign right here, and you're going to see the window change. The first time I hit it, it's going to say 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. Those are the different denominations. So it goes 1, 2, 5, 10. We're going to stop it when it says 10 in the denomination. Okay, once it says 10 in the denomination, if we drop in our $10 bills and it goes through its count, it says that there's 30 of them. But if we hit the value button over here, it says it's $300. Okay, if these happen to be $5 bills, then what we do is we hit this until it says 5. 1, 2, 5. We drop in our bills. Okay, it counted 30 bills. We hit the value button over here. It's $150, it says. Okay, so that's how that works. So it has a value mode, it has add mode, batch mode. Okay, another button that's on this machine is the manual button. You notice how when I drop in the bills it would start automatically? Well, if you hit the manual button, the manual light comes on here, you drop in the bills, and it doesn't go until I hit the restart button. And then it goes. So some people don't like it to start up right away, so it has that manual option. Turn that off. Okay, and then the last but not least, you can set the sensitivity for the magnetic and the ultraviolet detection. It automatically comes up in mode 2, which is medium, which is where you usually want it. But if you want it a little more sensitive, you hit the MGD button, which is magnetic detection, and it can go to 3, it can go to 4, or it can go off, 1, 2. So it comes up in the window there. Same thing with ultraviolet. Goes to 3, 4, off, 1, 2. So you don't always maybe want counterfeit detection on. If you don't want it on, you can turn it off there. And that pretty much covers everything. We did batching, we did value mode, we learned how to turn the detections on and off, how to put it in manual feed, and how to do the add. It's a real good, heavy-duty, bank quality commercial machine. Nice top loader, easy to load, take a big stack of bills, and it's a heavy-duty machine. Will last you for years. Comes with the machine also is this Global 80 manual, JM90 manual that comes with this machine is the JM90 manual and a cleaning brush. Thank you very much.